Are you looking for the best furniture for your nursery? In this video we will look at some of the best furniture for your nursery on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Wallniture Utah Floating Wall Shelves. This set of 2 wooden floating wall shelves will help keep your nursery organized. These white shelves come with wall mounting screws and anchors. Each shelf can hold up to 12 pounds. I love these, raved an Amazon customer who purchased the shelving units. I've never seen shelves that were so incredibly easy to install, especially with anchors. It even came with tiny screws and a level for installation so it lines it all up for you. I just pressed the shelves on the wall where I wanted them and it marked the wall perfectly. They are so durable and don't move at all. This was important because I am using them as shelves for groceries in my 3-year-old playroom. Can't say enough good things about them. The price below is for white shelves. Other wood finishes are available at a higher cost. At number 2. Paddie Rocking Chair. This contemporary-looking rocking chair is covered with breathable linen fabric and filled with soft sponge. It features wide armrests and 2 deep side pockets. This chair can hold up to 300 pounds. Note that this rocking chair comes with one of Amazon's coupon deals. You'll save an extra 5% when you apply the coupon before checkout. Sturdy construction. The entire glider nursery chair frame is made of solid wood which is sturdy enough to support up to 300 lbs. A wooden frame is also added in the middle of the base to further increase the stability of the glider rocker. Built-in comfort. This glider rocker chair is covered with breathable linen fabric and filled with high-density soft sponge, creates the ultimate seating comfort. What's more, by placing your hands or arms on comfortable padded armrests, you will reduce fatigue. Comfortable backrest. The wide and high backrest provides you with great comfort when you lean on it or rock it. In addition, the side pocket within arm's reach is convenient for storing remote control, magazines and other necessary items. Retro and modern, the swing function can bring a smoothing effect to people. Not only suitable for the elderly to sit on the rocking chair to read the newspaper or watch TV, but also very suitable for the mother to sit on the accent chair to coax the baby to sleep. Installation and maintenance. This rocking chair for nursery is very easy to assembly. Any quality-related issues to our modern accent chair, please feel free to contact us, we are always here for you. At number 3. Graco Remi 5-in-1 Convertible Crib and Changer. More than just a crib, the Graco Remi sleeper converts from baby sleeper, to toddler bed, to daybed, to full-size bed with headboard. All mattresses are sold separately. The crib includes a bottom full-size drawer with 2 compartments. The attached changing table features 3 storage drawers, 2 open shelves and a water-resistant changing pad with a safety strap. The clean lines and airy slattered design of the Graco Remi all-in-one convertible crib with drawer and changer make a sweet, modern addition to your nursery. The space-saving, full-size storage drawer and attached changing table with 3 concealed drawers and 2 open shelves make this all-in-one crib as convenient as it is charming. In addition to its 3 drawers, 2 open shelves, the attached changing table includes a water-resistant vinyl changing pad and safety strap. The Graco Remi was designed to adapt to your growing baby throughout all of life stages. It has a 3-position adjustable mattress support base, and can be converted into a daybed, toddler bed, and full-size bed when it's time for your baby to graduate from the crib to the toddler bed stage. Like all Graco cribs, the Remi is certified by the JPMA and meets or exceeds all applicable federal safety standards. Graco nursery products are exclusively manufactured by Storecraft. Compare Storecraft's line of products to those from Delta Children, Babyletto, Million Dollar Baby, Fisher-Price, and the Vinsai Baby. At number 4. Snoo Smart Bassinet. The Snoo Smart Bassinet detects fussiness and gradually responds with womb-like white noise and motion. It claims it can calm crying in under a minute. It's customizable, too, so you can control sound, motion and sensitivity. The accompanying app, meanwhile, gives you access to settings, plus a daily sleep report and tips on caring for your baby. If you aren't satisfied with the Snoo, the company offers a 30-day, risk-free trial. Snoo will even pay for return shipping. Added sleep. Snoo Sleeper boosts sleep 1-2+ hours per night, so parents get more sleep than with other baby cribs or smart furniture. Our moving sleeper bassinet soothes babies with the constant rumbly sound and gentle rocking motion they loved in the womb. Automatically responds to cries. Snoo detects fussing, and the self-rocking bassinet responds with gradually stronger white noise and motion to calm crying. Your own essential personal helper, 24/7. Prevents risky rolling. The only bassinet, sleeper, or bed that keeps your baby safely on the back. The #1 Safe Sleep Guideline recommended by the American Academy of Pediatrics, AAP. Comes with 3 hip-safe sleep sack swaddles. Easy to customize. Our smart app logs sleep and naps, and lets you adjust bassinet's motion, sound, and cry sensitivity. Includes preemie mode and weaning option for the best transition to the crib. 30-day, no-risk trial. If you're not 100% satisfied, return your Snoo within 30 days of receipt and we'll give you a full refund and pay for return shipping, too. At number 5. For Mom's MamaRoo Sleep Bassinet. While not reactive to a baby's crying or movement, the For Mom's MamaRoo Sleep Bassinet uses 5 motions and 4 sounds to soothe babies and improve sleep. Thanks to Bluetooth, parents can control the MamaRoo via a smartphone or tablet by downloading its accompanying app. Every newborn's sleep needs are different, and their needs continue to change as they develop and grow over the first few months. Rooted in the science of infant sleep, the MamaRoo Sleep Bassinet is the most adaptable bassinet that safely meets the needs of more babies than any other bassinet. With 5 parent-inspired motions, 5 speeds, and 4 white noise options, you can find the ultimate soothing combination to help comfort and support your baby through every nap and good night. Use the Find Your Roo feature on the For Moms app to discover the MamaRoo motion and speed combinations that are most inspired by your own soothing moves. The For Moms app also comes in handy to adjust features, or even set a timer, when you don't want to disturb baby while they are catching some ZZZs. The adjustable legs and mesh sides allow the bassinet to fit perfectly next to your bed to provide optimal visibility and also breathability. With these features and a firm, flat sleeping surface, the MamaRoo Sleep Bassinet follows AAP Safe Sleep Guidelines to create a safe sleep environment, helping the whole family rest easy. Bassinet sheet and water-resistant mattress included. At number 6. Fisher-Price Soothing Motions Bassinet. The Fisher-Price Soothing Motions Bassinet, the most affordable smart crib on our list, just 1/10 of the price of the Snoo, reacts to baby's movements with a gentle swaying. This bassinet also offers calming vibrations, music and sounds, plus light projection. And as your child grows, the control unit can be removed and used as a tabletop soother. The Soothing Motions Bassinet from Fisher-Price has everything to help your baby drift off to sleep in comfort. Your baby's natural movements, or a gentle push from you, gets the bassinet softly swaying, along with the overhead toys on the mobile. Customize the soothing to best fit your little snoozer with dual mode lighting, including soothing light projection, soft music and nature sounds, and calming vibrations. Best of all, as your baby grows, you can remove the control unit and use it as a tabletop soother in the nursery. Where development comes into play, sensory, a variety of music and sounds, calming vibrations, and swaying motion engage your baby's developing senses. Security and amp, happiness, soft padding, calming vibrations, and gentle swaying help soothe your baby and become part of the nap and bedtime routine, giving them a sense of security. Use only with a child who is unable to push up on hands and knees, pull up or sit unassisted. At number 7. Serena and Amp, Lily Harbour Cane Convertible Crib. This Serena and Amp Lily crib features trendy rattan details. At $1,698, it's more on the expensive side, but you'll get years of use out of it. This crib can be converted into a toddler bed. Babies go through 9,600 diapers in 3 years, that's a poop ton of diapers, pun intended. That's why we made the Diaper Genie Baby Registry Gift Set, the perfect starter kit and registry gift for any new parent. This bundle offers a year's worth of diaper refills and 1 carbon filter so mom and dad can spend less time buying replacements and more time with baby. It's the only diaper disposal system you'll need for your baby's nursery. Fully assembled with 8 full-sized refills, the pail is ready to get to work as soon as you take it out of the box. A necessity for your baby's nursery, the multi-layer refill bag, double airtight clamps and activated carbon filter work together as the ultimate odor lock system. Only the Diaper Genie Complete Pail and multi-layer refill contain a built-in odor antimicrobial that inhibits bacteria growth on both the pail and refill. The Diaper Genie Complete Pail offers a simple, effective way to help keep your nursery fresh by locking in strong diaper odors. The innovative design also makes dirty diaper disposal quick and easy and locks in odor, unlike regular, clampless pails that rely on an ordinary lid and plastic bag. From the #1 selling diaper pail brand *, the Diaper Genie Complete Pail is all you need for a fresh, clean and sweet-smelling nursery. * based on Nielsen retail scan data 52 weeks ending for /30/21 for diaper disposal category. Babies go through 9,600 diapers in 3 years, that's a poop ton of diapers, pun intended. That's why we made the Diaper Genie Baby Registry Gift Set, the perfect starter kit and registry gift for any new parent. This bundle offers a year's worth of diaper refills and 1 carbon filter so mom and dad can spend less time buying replacements and more time with baby. It's the only diaper disposal system you'll need for your baby's nursery. Fully assembled with 8 full-sized refills, the pail is ready to get to work as soon as you take it out of the box. A necessity for your baby's nursery, the multi-layer refill bag, double airtight clamps and activated carbon filter work together as the ultimate odor lock system. Only the Diaper Genie Complete Pail and multi-layer refill contain a built-in odor antimicrobial that inhibits bacteria growth on both the pail and refill. The Diaper Genie Complete Pail offers a simple, effective way to help keep your nursery fresh by locking in strong diaper odors. The innovative design also makes dirty diaper disposal quick and easy and locks in odor, unlike regular, clampless pails that rely on an ordinary lid and plastic bag. From the #1 selling diaper pail brand *, the Diaper Genie Complete Pail is all you need for a fresh, clean and sweet-smelling nursery. * claim based on Nielsen Market Track, T-Pail Disp System Diaper Category, Client Defined, L52WK to the 26th of March 2022.